Bring your pickiest buyer. This home is thoroughly remodeled and updated. New roof, AC, ductwork, flooring, sheetrock, paint, bathroom, kitchen, new windows throughout, new insulation and Fi-foil AA2 vapor shield in all exterior walls, new insulation in attic, waterproof LVP throughout, replaced all electrical wiring and plumbing, quartz countertops and soft close cabinets in kitchen, and a new concrete driveway. Large master will easily fit a king bed and other furniture. Make an appointment today, this one should go fast.